How much should you actually spend on a vacuum tube amplifier? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1. Riverstone Audio 5650 4W tubes. First up, we have the Riverstone Audio 5650 4W vacuum tubes. Priced at $39.95, these tubes caught my eye due to their impressive 4.8-star rating from nearly 2,000 reviews. If you want low-noise performance and reliability, this is worth a serious look. These tubes are a tested and matched pair, meaning they're specially selected to ensure consistent performance. What's crucial here is that they work seamlessly with multiple amplifier models, so if you're upgrading, you're definitely covered. They promise to deliver clean audio with minimal noise, which is essential for audiophiles looking for that rich, warm sound. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The platinum-grade tubes are matched within 3% for both plate current and mutual conductance, which means you'll experience a consistent sound that enhances your listening experience. Plus, they undergo rigorous testing, ensuring they operate at levels of 4,500 micromho or higher. Now, some people complained about the potential for faded markings on the tubes due to age. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your audio, you probably won't mind that minor cosmetic issue since the sound quality is outstanding. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable replacement that enhances your setup. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest in quality, but for the money, it's definitely a solid option. Now, if those faded markings bothered you, this next one might actually be even better for versatility. Product number 2, Foci Audio P3 Tube Preamp. Next up is the Foci Audio P3 Tube Preamp priced at $79.99. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 500 reviews, this device stands out for its true tube amplification technology. If you want a rich audio experience without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. What's interesting about the P3 is its ability to elevate voltage to 54V, allowing the tubes to perform at their best. This means you'll get crisp highs and a full, rich mid-range, exactly what you crave in high-fidelity audio. The Bluetooth 5.1 connectivity is a huge plus, offering low latency and great sound quality. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're using active speakers or headphones, the P3 accommodates a range of impedances from 16 ohms to 300 ohms, ensuring it can handle almost any setup you throw at it. Plus, with tone controls for bass and treble, you can tailor the sound to your preference. Now, some users mentioned that the setup instructions could be clearer. Honestly, while that's a bit frustrating, once you get it up and running, the audio quality makes it all worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a flexible preamp that works with various audio setups. Skip this one if you're looking for a standalone amplifier, but for the price, it really shines. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're after something that's got a bit of a classic vibe, the next pick might just be what you're looking for. Product number 3, JJ12AX7 vacuum tubes. Coming in at number 3, we have the JJ12AX7 preamp vacuum tubes, a 3-pack priced at $58.20. With a strong 4.7-star rating from over 500 reviews, these tubes are a go-to for many musicians and audiophiles alike. If you want a balanced, colorful tone, this is worth checking out. The JJ12AX7S are known for their well-defined lows, mids, and smooth highs. This means whether you're playing rock, jazz, or classical, you'll get a rich sound. They allow for more clean headroom, which is crucial if you love to push your gear to the limit. Here's why this matters for you specifically. In overdrive, these tubes provide a clean distortion that keeps your sound clear without muddiness. This ensures that every note rings out beautifully, making them suitable for all types of music and playing styles. Now, some users reported that they can be a bit noisy at high gain settings. But here's the deal. If you're mostly playing at moderate levels, you'll likely never run into this issue, and the sound quality is fantastic for the price. This is perfect for you if you're a musician or someone who loves vibrant sound. Skip this one if you're looking for a tube that handles high gain settings exclusively, but they still offer great value. Now, if you're after a budget-friendly alternative, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4. Match Pair Gen 5654W tubes. In 4th place, we have the Duke Audio Match Pair GJN 5654W vacuum tubes, priced at just $29.99. With a solid 4.7-star rating from nearly 500 reviews, these tubes are a great option if you're looking for an affordable upgrade. If you want high durability without spending a fortune, this is definitely worth a look. These tubes are tested and matched, ensuring you get a low-noise experience, which is essential for preserving audio clarity. What stands out is their mil-spec Gen certification, which guarantees higher durability and longevity compared to typical tubes. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're running an audio setup that relies on these 7-pin tubes, the risk of amplifier damage is minimized since these are reliable replacements. This can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Now, some people have pointed out that they can occasionally have a shorter lifespan compared to pricier options. But here's the thing, for the price and the performance you get, it's still an excellent buy for casual listeners or those just starting out. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective solution without skimping on quality. Skip this one if you strictly need high-end performance, but overall, excellent value. Now, if you're looking for something that packs a bit more power, the final product on our list might just be the answer. Product number 5, JJEL 84/6BQ 5 power tubes. Finally, we have the JJEL 84/6BQ 5 power vacuum tubes, priced at $42.66. With a strong 4.7-star rating from over 340 reviews, these tubes are ideal for those seeking power and warmth in their sound. If you want performance without compromising on quality, this is worth your time. The EL84 tubes are designed to deliver robust sound with a smooth response. They're perfect for guitar amplifiers and can provide a rich, full-bodied tone that is often sought after in music production and live performances. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These tubes can handle the demands of live performance while delivering that vintage sound that many musicians crave. Their 9-pin design is also versatile enough to fit a variety of amplifier models, making them a great choice for different setups. Now, some users mentioned that they can take a bit longer to break in. Honestly, while that may be slightly inconvenient, the sound you get after that break-in period is well worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you're a musician looking to enhance your amplifier's performance. Skip this one if you're not planning to use them in a demanding audio environment, but for the price, they offer fantastic quality. So, to wrap it up, the Riverstone Audio 5654W tubes are great for low-noise performance. The Foci Audio P3 offers versatile connectivity, while the JJ12AX7 tubes provide a colorful tone for any music style. The Duke Audio Gen 5654W tubes are affordable yet durable, and the JJEL 84/6BQ 5 tubes deliver powerful sound. Whichever you choose, you can't go wrong with any of these options.